got the fast tube from Fab-Form Industries here. We're gonna pour this 10-inch column. We poured the footing, it's still a little soft, so we're gonna show that you can still pour it without having your footing all set up. So here we go. So,
and yeah, that makes sense. And then I'll slow you down.
Start. There we go. Okay, let's see. Okay, Dave, hold the hose. Yeah. Go. There we go.
What's that, Mike? Sorry?
I think the next one will be a little cleaner. That was our first take. Pushing out the bottom. Okay. Oh yeah, I think we gotta let it set up a bit more. Okay,
Yeah, there you go. Perfect.
Oh no.
So what do you think happened then? What are we thinking that happened on that?
We need more pre-prep maybe?
Yeah.
What?
I think we need to have the hose ready to go in the column, drained of concrete so you're not struggling with the concrete.
Exactly.
Ready when it's, I think to be sure the hose is drained, have the hose right down to the footing of the key so you're not...
You want an empty hose.
You want an empty hose, and then you're completely prepared, you can slowly lift it. That way once we got it in.
Yeah, exactly.
And if the soft pad.
And the soft pad, you gotta wait for your pad to harden up a bit more than clearly what we had, which we just poured an hour and 20 minutes ago. So this was a test and it failed, but we're gonna work on it.
So, Mike, what happened here? You're cleaning things up. What have you done since that disastrous pour?
So we let it firm up a little bit more, and Joey here got on this goon spoon and he shoveled all the extra into the tube and he filled it up, and we were trying to get it centered on here, and we just pushed the base over and everything looks good.
No pressure.
Yeah. I was just wondering what's gonna happen to my fingers. Look at that.
What do you think?
It's awesome. Yeah.
What do you think, Mike?
I think that one went better the second go around. First one was a little shaky on the start, but we adjusted the grip on the bottom and went well. 11 feet.
What were you just doing to the column there?
So I just we had to shift the top over, so I just pushed the bottom here, try to line it up with my line a bit better, and it shifted the top to where we want it. Yeah, so the first pour, Joey just fed us to the wolves and let us try to fend for ourselves. We found that the concrete truck had concrete in the pump still, so it was hard to get the line directly down. So anyways, and then I didn't have a firm grip on the bottom, ultimately setting up the column. So on the second go around, we made sure that the pump truck was empty, lowered the hose all the way down, and we had a firm grip on the bottom, pulling the tubing out, the mesh. And then once we started 12 inches up, we adjusted our column positioning, and we just slowly filled the tube all the way up. And it poured 11 feet, nothing blew out, and we stuck our rebar dowels in afterwards. I mean, it's gonna be easy to strip, I can tell. It's just 4 2x4s, that's the braces included. It'll take all of 2 minutes. And it was set up over the weekend where it rained, and nothing happened to it, obviously, because it's not cardboard. So if you're looking for a quick, easy way for setting up columns, if you have a job with lots of them, this is a good product that I would recommend using.